Redox war! As the hours passed, the soldiers became restless. How was their enemy going to attack? Were they positioned at the wrong location? What if they lose the battle? Such scary thoughts raced through their minds as the solid zinc soldiers hid in the tall grass on the north side of the Zinc Kingdom. They had one mission in mind: protect their treasure, the electrons. Each household of the Zinc Kingdom had 2 precious electrons hid safely underground. Suddenly, one soldier stuck his hand out in the air. "Shh," he whispered, "they're coming." The soldiers positioned themselves in attack mode, and then, kaboom! The battle began. The copper thieves, each dressed in a light blue suit, pounced on the zinc soldiers and managed to seep into the heart of the kingdom. These thieves already had a plan in mind. Each would raid a single house in the Zinc Kingdom, steal the 2 electrons, and sneak away with the electrons. By the end of the night, the Zinc Kingdom was torn apart. Not a piece of treasure was left. The zinc metals lost their solid forms and became poor aqueous zinc cations, while the copper thieves, all bulked up and rich with the electrons, gained enough power to become solids. This process of gaining electrons from another substance is called reduction. With every reduction comes an oxidation, in which a substance loses electrons. In this case, the copper family was reduced. It is called the oxidizing agent because it made it possible for the zinc to get oxidized. The zinc family was oxidized, and so it is known as the reducing agent because it made possible for the copper to get reduced. Why was copper reduced and not zinc? Simple. Just look at the standard reduction potentials. The substances with the more positive reduction potential will gain electrons, while the substances with the less positive reduction potential will lose electrons. Since copper had a potential of positive 0.337 volts, and zinc had a reduction potential of negative 0.763 volts, zinc lost electrons and copper gained electrons. Will the zinc family be able to regain their wealth and acquire electrons again, or will they remain poverty-stricken cations for the rest of eternity? Watch Redox War next week to see how a group of zinc soldiers sneak into the Lithium Kingdom and run away with electrons. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show.